I've been in construction 30 years. Started on the tools, ended up running jobs, and then running the businesses that ran the jobs. And in all that time, one thing never changed. The building was never the hard part. It's everything around the building that grinds you down. Here's a week every builder's had. A drawing gets revised on the Tuesday. Nobody tells the concreter. He pours to the old set. 3 weeks later, the variation lands and everyone's in a room arguing about who wears it. Meanwhile, your PM's carrying 14 open RFIs, your finance person is guessing at cash, and the bloke who funded the whole thing hasn't seen anything but a PDF you emailed him a month ago. And it's not because there's no software. Every builder I know is already paying for 4 or 5 systems. They're good tools. They're just islands. None of them talk to each other and none of them think. So you're still the one holding the whole job together in your head at 11 o'clock at night. The money doesn't leak at tender. It leaks in the gap between something changing on site and anyone actually repricing it. So I built Schetech. It doesn't replace anything you're running. It sits on top of your stack, connects it, and puts a crew of AI specialists to work across it. A quantity surveyor that recosts the job the moment a drawing changes. A site agent that tracks every RFI against its statutory clock. A finance agent that sees a tax hit coming months out and sets the cash aside today. Every role gets its own seat. The owner sees the whole portfolio. The PM sees their jobs. Your financier gets a live read-only view instead of ringing you for an update. And your subbies get on free, because if the trades aren't on it, none of it works. I didn't build this as a tech bloke who read about construction. I built it as someone who's spent 30 years wearing the problems it fixes. If you're running builds and you're sick of holding it all together in your head, come have a look. Schetech.com.au